Hello, it's your guy, Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna continue on with our series of making money online with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. All right. First thing first. I hope you guys are starting paying attention and doing. Hopefully you gotten some sales. It's only been 8. This is the 9th day. It's only been 9 days, but hopefully maybe you gotten a sale or two by this point. I'm not entirely sure because, like I stated before, the the um the window I seen people making money with this is around day 20, day 21. That's around the average. Some people make it a lot earlier, like day 8, day 9. This one, the earliest I've seen is around day 8, day 9. That's why I started saying, hopefully y'all starting to get some sales now. Maybe you gotten a sale or two at this point. That's what I hope. But this is the earliest. If you haven't gotten sales, just remember this is the earliest people start getting. This ain't the average at all. Some people don't get sales until the end, till day 30 or something like that. So this is the earliest people start getting sales. That's why I wanted to mention that. Maybe y'all gotten some sales by now. As you've seen, anyway, we're gonna log into my lead gen secrets here. Get back into my account here. And if you notice, pin first name fit seems to giving me more clicks here, more opens. I think, yeah, in general, yeah, yeah, for pinning their first name definitely makes them open more often. So I do that. Okay, so first and foremost, let's go on to Clickbank as well. Link in the description are all of these features as well. You use my lead gen secret, you use Clickbank. At this point, my lead gen secrets, if you don't know, is just in case you started right here, my lead gen secrets is a mailing system but gives you leads every single day. Once you get a sale, it gives you 100 leads every single day, but once you get a sale with my lead gen secrets, you get 200 leads every single day. And I recommend 5 accounts, like I stated before, 5 accounts, so you can get 900 leads a day. 900 leads a day, you might be getting your first sales around now. That's why I stated that if you're following this with 5 different accounts, I'm getting sales myself. But to be fair, my account has been around for a minute, so yeah, I had my account for like going on 4 months, I believe, and so I'm getting sales, and this system works. It definitely gets sales, and these are real people buying stuff. If you go to day 2, I already got a sale on day 2 with just using 1 account. So imagine what y'all can do with 5. That's why I'm trying to say that. I'm only focusing on 1 account for this for the video series though. Just because I just want to show you guys it, and I'm promoting other offers on my other accounts. That's why. And basically what I want to do here, we're gonna go to Clickbank here. I want to make sure I go to Clickbank, and what you want to do is sign in. There's a link in the description for everything I show you, by the way. Sign in to Clickbank. You put in your information. It's very easy to do. There are no hoops you gotta jump over or anything like that. You just gotta put in your information, sign in, make sure your bank whatever you wanted to pay to hooked up, and then get started, right? So click on Marketplace. First thing you want to do, click on Marketplace. It'll take you to this page here. Now what we're looking for is e-business and e-commerce. That's the niche that we're gonna send to the people on Clickbank here. Not Clickbank, but my lead gen secrets, because people in my lead gen secrets signed in to get offers for making money online. So that's the reason why you want to go with e-business and e-marketing. Now I will state that you can get sales from other leads here, because these people are just people. They're people. They might see something interesting in other leads as well. I've seen somebody get sales with health and fitness. I personally haven't. I never tried, but people have gotten sales with other products that's not e-business, e-marketing. So it's not just that this strategy works with just e-business and e-marketing. but it's your best chance you got, you know, because that's what they signed in for. It's all a numbers game. Like the more leads you have, the better chance you got of selling some of this stuff. All right, so let's keep it going here. First thing first, you want to click on what I just did, e-business, e-marketing. Then you want to click on Gravity because it's showing what products are doing well at the moment. And right now, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is the number one product and the one that I would personally recommend doing. At least starting with. If you only focus on one product, this should be it. The average conversion rate is around $50. Really good. It's actually going up. Because I think it was like 49 last time I checked. But yeah, this is a good product to use with my lead gen secrets. Flint Wealth System, I've gotten sales with it, but it's a very low conversion rate. So I wouldn't personally promote it, but I mean, you could probably make a lot more money than I have with it. I'm not, because like I stated, it's a numbers game, it's chance, it's all kinds of stuff that goes into this. All right, so turn text speech with human-like voices. I don't think this will work too well because it's a program, not necessarily a way to make money online, because that's what they signed in for, to learn how to make money online. So this is probably not gonna work. Perpetual income, this could work. I've not gotten a sale with this, so I can't vouch for it or anything like that, but it could work. This could work pretty well. I don't know, I have to test it or something like that, give it like maybe like a 7-day chance or something like that, see if I can get one of them big old $355 sales that they have here for average conversion rate. Keep it moving. So we got Scribble. This is a program that helps you write ebooks. I wouldn't promote this because it's a program, not necessarily a way for you. I mean, you can use it to make money online, of course, but it's not. This is not for making money online. A product like that. The paid online writing jobs. This is a really good product to promote here, I believe, because it helps you make money. It tells you exactly what it's about. You know, writing jobs. You can make money writing jobs. Yeah. So yeah, that's a good product. Live chat jobs, a very good product. In fact, paid online, I'm gonna talk about this. This is probably the one we're gonna do next. We're gonna focus on the top one first. Live chat jobs. This is a really good product also as well to promote. Because live chat jobs, basically you go for products that it seems possible for people to do. Like they read and they're like, oh, okay, I could do that. You know what I mean? And the numbers ain't crazy, like $1 million in 30 days or something like that. They ain't talking about that. They ain't talking about making millions of dollars in 30 days. They're just saying, hey, you can get paid at each job you do, like say $100 for this, $100 for that. These products are well done. They have very low refund rates, so people really like these products. That's why I'm saying promote these. Probably won't. I haven't, like, there's no refund. I haven't seen refund rates for these products. Every sale I've gotten, I've never gotten a refund from them, is what I'm trying to say. I don't know why I said it like that, so weird. Sorry about that. Okay, so here we go. We got Writers app, get paid to review. Okay, apps on your phone. This is a good product to promote. I gotten sales with this product, but not a lot, not a ton of sales, but I have gotten sales with this product. And then you have this product here. They changed the name. It used to be something different, I know. They changed the name of this product here. I think it's the same one, but they changed the names around maybe. I don't know. Maybe the product I'm thinking about just went down one. But this looks solid as well. I'll give this a shot at some point. But first, let's click on page 2 here. I want to see. Oh, okay. This is the product that. Okay, so it went down a tick. That one's coming up. Do you see that? That's why you check it every day, so you know that certain products are doing better. This product's doing better because it wasn't here before. It wasn't here before at all. So this product's doing really good. So I give this a shot because it's a brand new product. But we're not gonna do it right now. Let me look at the page here. I just want to see what it looks like real quick. Let's see the text version. That make him work. I don't know. But anyway, let's keep it moving. Hey, we're gonna focus on this product here. It's the top #1 product and all that. So we're gonna click right here on the affiliate page, because what we're looking for are emails. We need to find some emails for this product. And here we go, email swipes right here. So we click on that. Let's go to the next email swipe. This is day 9, so we on day 9 right here. RE, you missed your appointment. Now we're gonna pick copy here. And we're gonna go into my lead gen secrets here. And we'll go into the mailing system. When you purchase, I want to mention as well, when you purchase my lead gen secrets, either from my affiliate link below or some other way, maybe, make sure not to buy the email swipes, the master email swipes. You don't need them at all. As you've seen, there are email swipes given to the products that you promote all over the internet. Like every product tends to have some email swipes for you, so you don't have to do that. Okay, so we click on that like that. We'll put our messed up here. You missed our appointment, so we're gonna pick first name here. Missed our appointment. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. Make sure to hit perfect timing as always here. Then hit that there. So we're gonna grab email here. You copy the email here, post it in, paste. Alright, so we're gonna hit signature. We're gonna put our name there. See, wherever you see name, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna get the first name fits right. Copy. Because we're using our codes for the my lead gen secrets. It's different from other places. So that's what that name means. Just put the name code there. Alright, so country, we should put a country code there, but we don't have one. So instead of putting country, we put your area. Country, we pick your area like that, and you see click here to get. So we almost done with this email. Now click here to get started. Now this is where you pick the link, and you can go here and grab the link here. Email this. This should get. I think the email looks pretty solid. It's short. One thing I've noticed is that shorter emails tend to have more sales than others on my lead gen for some reason. Shorter emails with only one link, they tend to perform the best. Shorter emails like this with only one link in them tend to perform the best, in my opinion. I don't know if it's like that all the time, but that's just the way it feels to me. I don't know if that's just chance that it's like that for me. Yeah, the shorter emails, the very simple, quick, shorter emails, they tend to do a little bit better, especially if you put their name in there. I think that works. It helps a lot. Feel more personal. They feel like they want to click on it. And the more people, and the thing is, you want people to click on it. That's why I'm putting their name up here, so they know the email is for them. So I use that. But it seems like, in my opinion, it seems to do better. And then once you do this, you want to preview and make sure that your link works. Always check and see if your link is working. So, because if it's not working, they can't click on it. You can't make money off of it. Make sure the link works. The link works. So we're gonna send an email right here. Got it on perfect timing. Perfect timing just essentially makes it so they get the email around the time they open it. So there's a better chance of them opening it. Alright, so we just sent that email there. So like I stated before, what you want to do here with affiliates is that
people are getting insane.
You want to make sure you hold on, let me go to it. Okay, you want to make sure that when you make your account, you make your very first My Lead Gen Secrets account, make sure to copy and paste your affiliate link and then use that to make another account. and you keep doing that back to back to back over and over again, you want to make sure to do that every single time, because your days are chaining and you're giving yourself bonus leads. That's the reason why you're doing it, and you're making money off of yourself a little bit, so it's not quite as high as it would be. You get a little bit of that money back. So what you do after that, you do that for every single account you make. Like, say you want to make 5 accounts. That's my recommended to make like a full-time income off of this. Eventually, you want 5 accounts. I think I've seen people who have 5 accounts open for about 3-4 months, somewhere around there. Have a ton of leads at that point, and they can make a living off of it. They can make around $3,000 average, you know. And I just wanted to make sure I showed y'all that. And some people are starting with 7. Here's the thing. I know a person that signed up when they first started with 7 accounts. They just jumped right on in. They jumped in it real hard. And they got 4 sales within their first month, which is kind of crazy. And and their account is already paid for. All 7 accounts has already been paid for that month. So it's wild that they made that money back like that on the first month. But that usually doesn't happen. It takes a while to build up the account, but they got 4 sales in their first month of promoting products on Clickbank with this way. So the more accounts you have, the better chances you get to making more. That's the thing. Each account I'm gonna say this. If you follow these simple steps, you will definitely make your money. You will 100% make your money back, and you will make excess income. Basically, you'll make a living. You can make a living off of this. Within the first month, you'll make your living. You'll make your money back within the first month. Well, I don't want to say that. That's kind of, you'll make your money back within like first 2 months. I'm gonna say first 2 months. When you start, because when you first start, you don't have that many leads. So when the chance of you getting a sale are pretty low when you first start. But once you build up, you gotta build up. It's a numbers game, like I stated before. Once you build up, you get tons of sales. I can't really say how much money you will make, because it's chance. It's by chance. It's a numbers game, but you will make money off of this. I mean, how many sales I got off of this one account? I don't got multiple sales off just this one account. As we've been doing this, day 9, I don't got multiple sales off of it. It definitely don't made this money back from having it open. You know what I mean? I already got multiple sales off of this. That's why I keep telling y'all to try the first product first, because you get sales off of it. But like I stated, my account already got 20,000 leads to it, as you can see. I don't had it for a couple of months. That's why I'm getting sales off of it. But once you build it up, you get more sales, and it just snowballs. That's just the way it goes. And I think my lead gen secrets is like the best way to make money, the easiest possible way. That's all I have to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all of those good things. You know what I mean? And all the affiliate links in the below to get you started, get you going for this, and everything like that. And also, there's a link to what I normally promote is starting your own business with just $20 with Savings Highway Global. So check that out as well if you want to get started with that. That works better than Clickbank. So yeah, all right, that's about it.